Hello! So, the invitation is to breathe. Can you take a few moments to step away? And maybe you are just listening to this video. You don't have to watch me unless you want some ideas or inspiration or connection with me directly. So, breath. There are so many ways to play with breathing. Breathing is our life force. It connects us to our vitality. And when we limit our breathing or constrict our breathing, we have a direct correlation to our energy level, to our ability to clear brain fog or increase brain fog. So it really is the key to clearing. Today's invitation is to play with connecting sound, which is vibration, with breath. So sometimes, for example, let's take a tight neck. Right? We can start to breathe, and when our breath is more audible, sometimes that can support in expanding with an inhale and really releasing with the exhale. When we add sound, and notice that I've also added touch, all of a sudden we can make more space. And this is something that I've used in body work, right? To be working with someone's neck, to have the person inhale, and then right, and visualizing the length that's being created in the muscle, in the tissue. And so I really encourage you to play with this. And sometimes we get really nervous and feel freaked out to make sound. But what would it be like, right? So different sounds you can make. Ah is what you heard. E, O, oo, right? So a lot of the vowel sounds. Right? And then I was kind of connecting them out. Wow. And you can begin to feel that vibration through the hands, through the voice, through the throat. And I focused on the neck, but think about, I got my hands on my low back. Adding a little gentle bounce in the knee, creating space using sound and breath. Try it with me. Take another few minutes to do it on your own. Let me know how it goes. Thank you.